Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're going to explore three forms that confuse many learners: had to, and had been.
They all use the word had, but they mean completely different things.
Many learners mix them up.
But don't worry, we'll make each one crystal clear.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use each form.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these forms are.
Had is the past simple form of have.
Had to expresses obligation or necessity in the past.
Had been is used in the past perfect continuous tense.
3 different forms, 3 different uses.
Let's start with had.
What is had?
Had is the simple past tense of the verb have,
It shows possession, experience, or actions in the past.
meaning 1. Possessed something in the past.
I had a car last year. I owned a car in the past.
She had 2 dogs when she was young. She owned them before.
They had a big house. They possessed it in the past.
Meaning 2. Experienced something in the past.
I had a great time yesterday. I experienced fun.
She had a headache last night. She experienced pain.
We had dinner at 7 p.m. We experienced eating.
Had is the same for all subjects.
I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, they had.
No changes, just had for everyone.
Examples in sentences.
I had breakfast this morning. He had a problem yesterday. They had fun at the party.
Had describes completed past actions or states.
Now let's talk about had to.
What is had to?
Had to expresses obligation, necessity, or requirement in the past.
It means was forced to or was necessary to.
I had to work late yesterday. It was necessary. I was obligated.
She had to study for the exam. It was required.
They had to leave early. It was necessary.
Had to shows something was required or necessary.
Structure. Had to plus base verb.
I had to go. She had to finish. They had to leave.
Always use the base form of the verb after had to.
More examples.
I had to wake up early. He had to call his mother. We had to wait for hours.
All showing past obligation.
Negative form, didn't have to.
I didn't have to work yesterday. It wasn't necessary.
She didn't have to go. It wasn't required.
Didn't have to means no obligation.
Now let's explore had been.
What is had been?
Had been is part of the past perfect continuous tense.
It shows an action that was continuing in the past before another past action.
Structure. Had been plus verb ing.
I had been waiting for an hour. She had been working all day.
It emphasizes the duration of an action before a past moment.
I had been studying for 3 hours when he called.
The studying continued for a period, then he called.
Had been shows ongoing past action before another past event.
Another use. Had been can also be past perfect of be.
I had been sick before the trip. I was sick earlier.
She had been a teacher before. She was a teacher in the earlier past.
This shows a state that existed before another past time.
Now let's compare all three.
This is the most important part.
Example. Situation, yesterday morning.
I had breakfast at 7 a.m. Simple past possession or action.
I had to wake up early. Past obligation. It was necessary.
I had been sleeping for 8 hours. Continuous action before waking.
3 different meanings.
Another comparison.
I had a meeting yesterday. She experienced or attended a meeting.
She had to attend the meeting. She was obligated to attend.
She had been preparing for the meeting all morning. Continuous action before the meeting.
See the differences?
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, how was your day yesterday?
Exhausting. I had to work overtime.
Oh no, How long had you been working?
I had been working for 12 hours straight when my boss finally let me go.
That's terrible. Did you have dinner?
No time. I had to rush home because I had a video call at 8 p.m.
Had you been planning that call?
Yes, I had been trying to schedule it for weeks.
So you had a really busy day.
Definitely, and I had a headache by the end of it.
You must have been exhausted. Had you been feeling stressed?
Yes, I had been feeling overwhelmed for days.
Did you notice all three forms?
I had to work. Past obligation.
Had you been working? Continuous past action, duration.
I had been working for 12 hours, continuous before another past moment.
I had a video call, simple past possession or experience.
I had to rush. Past obligation.
Had you been planning? Continuous past before now.
I had been trying. Continuous past action.
You had a busy day, simple past experience.
I had a headache. Simple past experience.
Had you been feeling stressed? Continuous past state.
I had been feeling overwhelmed. Continuous past state.
All three forms used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using had to without a verb.
Wrong. I had to yesterday. Correct. I had to work yesterday.
Had to always needs a verb after it.
Mistake 2. Using wrong verb form after had to.
Wrong. I had to worked. Correct. I had to work.
Wrong. She had to studying. Correct. She had to study.
Use base form after had to, not past or ing.
Mistake 3. Using had been without ing or adjective or noun.
Wrong. I had been work. Correct. I had been working.
Had been needs ing or a state. Was plus adjective or noun.
Mistake 4. Confusing had with had to.
Wrong. I had wake up early. Correct. I had to wake up early.
If you mean obligation, use had to.
How to choose correctly.
Decision 1. Are you showing ownership or experience?
Use simple had. I had a car. She had dinner.
Decision 2. Are you showing obligation or necessity?
Use had to. I had to go. She had to study.
Decision 3. Are you showing continuous action before a past moment?
Use had been plus ing. I had been waiting. She had been working.
Decision 4. Are you showing a state that existed before?
Use had been plus adjective or noun. I had been tired. She had been a student.
4 clear decisions.
More practice examples.
Fill in the blank. Which form?
I blank a dog when I was young. Had simple possession.
I blank walk to school every day. Had to past obligation.
I blank walking for an hour when it started raining. Had been continuous before rain.
She blank 3 brothers. Had simple possession.
She blank finish her homework. Had to obligation.
She blank studying all night. Had been continuous action.
Getting clearer?
Real life situations.
Talking about the past.
Yesterday, I had lunch at noon. Simple past.
Yesterday, I had to work late. Past obligation.
Yesterday, I had been feeling sick all morning. Continuous before a point.
Explaining lateness.
I'm sorry I'm late. I had traffic problems. Simple past.
I'm sorry I'm late. I had to take my child to school. Obligation.
I'm sorry I'm late. I had been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. Continuous wait.
Different reasons, different forms.
Understanding had to more deeply.
Had to shows external obligation. Someone or something made it necessary.
I had to work. My boss required it.
She had to leave. Circumstances forced her.
Compare with wanted to, which is internal desire.
I wanted to go versus I had to go. Personal wish versus obligation.
Very different meanings.
Understanding had been for duration.
Had been plus ing emphasizes how long before another past event.
I had been waiting for 30 minutes when she arrived. Duration emphasized.
They had been dating for 2 years when they got married. Duration important.
It shows the length of time the action continued.
Understanding questions.
Questions with had, did you have a good time? Did she have breakfast?
Questions with had to, did you have to work? Did she have to leave?
Questions with had been, how long had you been waiting? Had she been studying?
Different question structures.
Negatives with each form.
Negative had, I didn't have time, she didn't have money.
Negative had to, I didn't have to go. No obligation.
Negative had been, I hadn't been waiting long, she hadn't been feeling well.
All three have negative forms.
Understanding timeline.
Simple had equals 1 point in past. I had lunch at 1 p.m.
Had to equals obligation at 1 past time. I had to leave at 5 p.m.
Had been equals continuous period leading up to a past moment. I had been working since morning when he called.
Different relationships with time.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1, write 5 sentences with simple had about past possessions.
Day 2, write 5 sentences with had to about past obligations.
Day 3, write 5 sentences with had been plus ing about continuous past actions.
Day 4, write a story using all 3 forms.
Day 5. Listen for these forms in movies and identify which is which.
Day 6, practice answering what had you been doing before.
Day 7. Describe yesterday using all 3 forms.
By the week's end, you'll master them.
More examples for confidence.
Simple had examples.
I had a great vacation. He had many friends. They had an opportunity.
We had a wonderful time. She had good news. I had hope.
Had 2 examples.
I had to apologize. She had to explain. They had to cancel.
We had to change plans. He had to admit the truth. I had to choose.
Had been examples.
I had been thinking about it. She had been crying. They had been arguing.
We had been preparing. He had been lying. I had been hoping.
Building recognition.
When you see had alone, think possession or experience.
When you see had to, think obligation or necessity.
When you see had been, think continuous past or earlier state.
Pattern recognition helps.
Understanding contractions.
Had contracts to apostrophe D.
I'd been working equals I had been working.
She'd been sick equals she had been sick.
We'd had problems equals we had had problems.
Be careful, apostrophe D can also mean would.
Context tells you which. I'd been there equals had been. I'd go there equals would go.
Practice helps you recognize the difference.
More complex sentence examples.
Using all 3 in one context.
Yesterday was difficult. I had a lot of work. I had to stay late, and I had been feeling stressed all week.
Had, experience. Had to, obligation. Had been, continuous.
She had 3 meetings, she had to present a project, and she had been preparing for days.
All 3 working together naturally.
Understanding had been with different time markers.
I had been waiting for 2 hours when she arrived. Duration specified.
I had been living there for 5 years before I moved. Time period.
She had been studying all morning when the test started. Time frame.
Time markers help show duration.
Understanding had, yes, it's correct.
You can use had twice in one sentence.
I had had breakfast before she called. Past perfect of have.
I had had a chance to think about it. Earlier possession before past moment.
They had had problems before. Earlier experience.
First had is past perfect helper. Second had is the main verb.
It sounds strange, but it's grammatically correct.
Comparing with present perfect.
Present perfect, have or has, plus past participle, connected to now.
I have finished, connected to now, versus I had finished, finished before past moment.
Past perfect, had plus past participle, before another past time.
When she arrived, I had already finished. Finishing happened before arrival.
Different time relationships.
Understanding formality.
All three forms work in formal and informal contexts.
Casual, I had to go, man. Formal, I was obligated to attend.
Had to is universal. Use it anywhere.
More ways to express past obligation.
Had to is most common.
Was required to, needed to, was forced to, was obligated to.
All express similar meanings, but had to is most natural.
Understanding emphasis.
I really had to go. Emphasize urgency.
I absolutely had to finish. Emphasize necessity.
I'd been waiting forever. Emphasize duration.
Add emphasis words to strengthen meaning.
Common expressions.
With had a blast, great time, had a feeling, intuition, had no idea, didn't know.
With had to hand it to them, must admit, had to see it to believe it.
With had been through a lot, experienced difficulties.
Learn these as phrases.
Quick review.
Had equals simple past of have, possession, experience.
Same for all subjects, shows completed past.
Had to equals past obligation, necessity, had to plus base verb.
Always followed by base form of verb.
Had been equals past perfect continuous, had been plus ing, or past perfect of be.
Shows continuous action before past moment or earlier state.
3 distinct uses.
Simple had for possession, had to for obligation, had been for continuous or earlier state.
You now understand all 3 clearly.
These forms are essential for talking about the past.
Practice makes perfect.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Yesterday I had. Complete the sentence.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.